So here we're going to talk about how to find the optimal value function. So I'm going to use the same simple goal search example. So you have a goal state and you have state 1, state 2, state 3, state 4, state 5. And if you reach the goal, you get reward 100. And if you do anything else, you get reward 0. So suppose that's the case, then the first thing is find the actual value. Every value function is associated with a policy. So the one that associated with the optimal policy is the optimal value function. So basically what it means is start from any state, what is the largest reward you can get. So in this context is which direction would you go so that you would maximize the total reward, total discounted expected reward. So there's no randomness here, so we are not doing expectation. So for example, if you start from S2, you should not go anywhere else. You should directly go here. If you go anywhere else, it means you are running in circles and you delay your reward. And when you delay, there is a discount factor gamma. So you do not want to do that. So you want to reach the goal as soon as possible. So optimal means reach goal as soon as possible. So S1, how to reach the goal as soon as possible, is go to S2. And S3, actually there are two optimal things to do. Either you can go up or you can go to the right. Let's say go right, and this is go right, and this is go up, and this is go around. So that policy would be the optimal policy. So pi star would be equal to the red arrows. So again, if you want to write it down, pi star of S1 would be equal to go right, and pi star of S2 would also be equal to go right, and also I think it's pi star for S3 and pi star for S4. So only pi star of S5 is equal to go up, and pi star of the goal state is just go around. So that's how you write the complete optimal policy function. And given this policy, you have the value associated with it. So for example, S1 will be in the next period, you are going to move to the right, so you'll get 0. And in the next period, you'll get gamma times moving to the right, which you get 100. And then plus gamma squared times 0, which means go around. And all of the other ones are 0. So at the end, you just get gamma times 100. So suppose gamma is 0.9, you will get 90. So similarly, if you do it this way, if you start with S2, then the value of S2 will be 100. This is 90. This is 100. This is 90, and this is 81, if you follow the same process.